Hobe Sound, Florida. And we are turning onto, it's called Bridge Road. This is the way to get to the Hobe Sound Beach. It's a very little town in between Stuart and Jupiter. Right here we're crossing over, that's A1A, and this is the railroad track that goes from north and south. This is one of the entrances. It's very scenic on the way to Jupiter Island. There's two other ways you can get to Jupiter Island. This way through Hobe Sound, and the other way is right north of Jupiter when you're just come out of Tequesta. There's another way to cross over to get to Jupiter Island. Jupiter Island has quite a few mansions, and it's a closed community. You have to be interviewed before you can even buy to live on the Jupiter Island. But I love the Hobe Sound Beach because it's a small beach. You do have to get there quite early, before 12, because the parking's always, it's such limited parking. There isn't much parking. As you travel through this, you can't believe you say to yourself, am I really in Florida with all these beautiful scenic trees that overlay? The camera doesn't give it justice when you say how beautiful it is with the shadows and the sun coming up. As you descend, now here we are, we're going to be crossing the intercoastal. It is not a fixed bridge, so it opens and closes to accommodate sailboats and bigger yachts and stuff that you know, they're the height. It's the intercoastal that takes you all the way up, and it can take you all the way to Miami. As you enter onto the island, you can see the security is very, very tight. They do record every single car that comes onto the island and leaves the island. If we go straight ahead, that's the beach. When we get to the end here, I'm going to show you at the stop sign. If you take a right, that's going to take you, you're going to proceed, which we're not going right, but that's going to proceed to go to Jupiter Islands. I'll do another video on that when you can see the different homes. This is the Hobe Sound Beach. The parking is free. I've had a lot of people ask me, how much do they charge for parking? It is free, but it's first come, first serve. It's very limited, and it's quite crowded. They do have a bathhouse right there, restroom for males and females. They do not have a family restroom, but they do have changing tables, and it is for wheelchair accessible. This is a little display here about the loggerhead turtles. We do have, which is kind of cool, we have turtle season in Florida, and that's a sight to see, but you cannot disturb the nests. And this is just a display explaining about the turtles, the loggerhead, the sea turtle project. Has a nice covering here, shaded with benches. A lot of people come here to play cards. It is guarded. Inside the guarded area, you are not allowed to bring pets. It is wheelchair accessible. This right here, the ramp that we're going on, is a wheelchair ramp, which is very nice for the elderly. But they do have a guard and a lifeguard. But inside the lifeguard area, you are not allowed to bring pets. Outside the lifeguard area, you are. There's two, see that yellow flag right there? Past that, you can fish, and past the one that's south of that, you can also have your pets, your dogs, your pets. I'm going to show it, and see that other yellow flag right there? past that, you can take your pets. And this is the lifeguard station. It was quite windy today when we're here. But it's a beautiful beach, and they keep it up. A lot of nice umbrellas. There's the boats and the jet skis in the ocean. Beautiful, beautiful day. It's a beautiful beach, and I had such a great day.